What if my repair estimate seems too high? Have you ever looked at a repair estimate and thought, this seems way too high? You are not alone. Many people find themselves in this situation after an accident. The first thing to do is review the estimate closely. A good repair estimate should be a detailed, written report. It should list every repair step along with the costs for parts and labor. This breakdown helps you see if the charges are fair and if any unnecessary repairs are included. Once you file a claim with your auto insurance company, they will assign an adjuster to inspect the damage and review the estimate. The adjuster uses their knowledge and sometimes special software to determine if the costs are reasonable. They consider factors like your vehicle's make, model, year, mileage, and its condition before the accident. If the estimate seems inflated, the insurance company may negotiate with the repair shop or ask for a second opinion to ensure the costs reflected the actual damage. You also have the right to seek a second estimate from another reputable auto body shop. Getting multiple estimates can help you see if the first one is too high or if certain repairs are not necessary. If you notice differences between the estimates, it is important to discuss these with your insurance adjuster and the repair shops involved. Another important factor to keep in mind is the concept of betterment in auto insurance. Betterment means that the insurance will not cover repairs that improve your vehicle beyond its condition before the accident. If the estimate includes upgrades or new parts that increase the vehicle's value, the insurance company may reduce the payout accordingly. After the repairs are completed, take the time to inspect your vehicle. Make sure the work done matches the estimate you received. Keep all repair records and take photos of the damage and repairs. If you feel you have been overcharged or if the repairs were not done as agreed, contact your insurance company right away. This will help you resolve any issues and avoid delays in closing your claim. So, if your repair estimate seems too high, take a close look at the details, get a second opinion, and communicate with your insurance adjuster and repair shop. Remember, the goal of your insurance coverage is to restore your vehicle to its pre-accident condition without paying for unnecessary improvements. This process helps protect you from unexpected costs while ensuring your vehicle is properly repaired.